Welcome back, children. Now we are moving on to the next section, finding the successor and predecessor. You know what is a successor and predecessor? What is successor? Successor means number after and predecessor means number before. Okay. First question, write the number before. What is number before known as, children? Yes, predecessor. For the following. Write the number before, predecessor for the following. First question, 35 lakh 83,499. What should you do to find the predecessor? You have to minus 1. To find the number before, we have to minus 1. So, where will we minus 1? In the digit in the ones place. Here you have 9. When you minus 1, what do you get? What do you get, children? When you minus 1, you get 8. So, the answer is 35 lakh 83,498. That is the number just before 35 lakh 83,499 is 35 lakh 83,498. We change the last digit. The digit in the ones place has to be changed. Understood, children? Question B. 1 crore 36 lakh 42,823. What is the answer? What is the last digit? The last digit is 3. What is the number just before 3? Yes, the number just before 3 is 2. So, 1 crore 36 lakh 42,822. Okay. So, we need to change only the last digit. The digit that comes in the ones place, you have to make it 1 less to write the number before. Okay. 43 lakh 16,000. 43 lakh 16,000. What will be the answer here, children? Starting with the last digit, I told you have to reduce 1 from the last digit. Here your last digit is 0. So when you minus 1, is it possible to minus 1 from 0? No, it is not possible. So usually what we do, we borrow from the previous digit. Here again the previous digit is 0. Then we will go to the next digit again. That digit is also 0. So what we will do? We again go to the previous digit. Here the previous digit is 6. So usually what do we do? When you have a number like this, you borrow. This becomes 5. This becomes 10. Again you borrow from 10. It becomes 9. This becomes 10. Again you borrow from 10. This becomes 9 and this becomes 10. And then we minus, isn't it? That is how we do. Now, I will give you an easier way to write the answer. You do not have to go for any minusing. When the question is predecessor, that is when the question is number before, if you have zeros like this at the end of the number, keep in mind, if you have zeros at the end of the number, you can make all those zeros as 9. Okay, children? And then the number just before 0. What is the number here? It is 6. You make it 1 less. 6, 1 less means it becomes 5. So, you get 43 lakh 15,999. Once again, you make all the zeros at the end of the number, not in the middle. All the zeros in the end of the number make it 9 and the number just before 0 you make it 1 less. Understood, children? If you want, you can check. See, minus 1. What do you get? 10 minus 1, 9. Here 9. Here 9. Here 5. 5, 9, 9, 9. Rest of the digits are all same. Clear, children? $35 lakh 86,399. What will be the answer? Check the last digit, 9. You minus 1 from 9, what do you get? Yes, you get 8. So 35,86,398. It's very easy. One crore 86 lakh 35,200. 200. What will be the answer, children? What have I told you? When it is 0 at the last. If you have zeros at the last, what will happen? If you have zeros at the last, zeros will become as 9 and the number just before 0, it should be made 1 less. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Rest all the digits will be same. 1 crore 86 lakh 35,199. Clear, children? So only in predecessor, if you have zeros at the end of the number, only in predecessor, if you have zeros at the end of the number, those zeros will become as 9 and the number just before 0 will become 1 less. Okay, children? To give you a homework question. Question F. 2 crore 73 lakh 86,300. Okay, you do it as homework. Now, moving to the next set of questions. Write the number after. That is, what is number after? Successor. Okay, number after for the following. First question, 9 crore 35 lakh 42,201. 201. Yes, what will be the answer, children? Yes, children, what will be the answer? Here, now it's number after. Again, check your number in the ones place. What you have to do? Just add 1 to that. So, when you add 1 to 1, what you get? You get 202. So, 9 crore 35 lakh 42,202. Clear? $39 lakh 99,999. There are so many nines, isn't it, children? Yes. What happens when you add 1 to 9? You have to add 1 to the digit in the ones place. So when you add 1, what happens? It becomes 10. Right? Can you write this 10 like this and write the answer? Will the answer become like this? 9, 9, 10? No, it is not possible. So what do we do usually? We write the 0 and we carry 1 over there, isn't it? When you carry 1, what happens? Again 1 plus 9, it is 10. Again you carry 1, what happens? 1 plus 9, it is 10. Again you carry 1, it is 10. Again you carry 1, it is 10. Again carry, it is 10. Right? Then you carry 1, 4. Right? This happens when you do addition, right? Now without doing addition, I will tell you an easier method. As how you did in number before, in predecessor. There, when you had zeros at the end, you made all those zeros 9, isn't it? Similarly, in successor, if you have 9 at the end, there are all these 9 together at the end. Okay? All these 9 will become 0. and the number just before 9 will become 1 more. And the number before 9 will become 1 more. So you don't have to keep adding. Put all the 9s as 0. Only if the 9s are at the end. If you find any 9 in between, please don't change that 9 to 0. Only if you have the 9s at the end, all those 9s will become 0 and the number before 9 will become 1 more. Here it was 3, so it became 1 more, it became 4. Clear, children? Okay. Now next question. Question C. 3 crore 45 lakh 86,723. What's the answer? Come on, children. You have to add 1 to the ones place. What do you get? You get 4 over there. So 3 crore 45 lakh 86,724. This is easy, right? D. 37 lakh 89,999. See, again you can see 9s at the end of the number. 9s are there at the end of the number. What will happen to these 9s? Yes, all these 9s will become 0 and the number before 9 should be made 1 more. Yes, 8 will become as 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then rest everything same. So the successor of 37 lakh 89,999 is 37 lakh 90,000. Clear, children? So in predecessor, all the zeros will become 9, which is at the end, and in successor, all the 9s will become 0 and the number before 9 should be made 1 more. The number before 9 should be made 1 more. Okay, children? It's a question for you, homework. 1 crore 86 lakh 35,450. Complete it as a homework. 1 crore 86 lakh 35,450. Write the successor of this number. Okay, children? Clear how to write successor and predecessor? When it is successor, all the 9s will become 0 and the number before 9 becomes 1 more. When it is predecessor, all the zeros at the end will become 9 and the number before 0 will become 1 less. Clear, children? Thank you.